7th of September, 11:22. And how do you say, David, the name of the river? The Upper Navua. River rafting with Rivers Fiji.
Be sure and get a shot of the commander here.
I will.
Admiral
Jack from San Francisco, Joanne, and Admiral Dave. All right,
Admiral
from
Dave,
Fiji.
Yeah.
So we got a little break here, and so we could get the camera out of the wet bag here, or dry bag. Yeah, and get a little shot as we go down the river. There's 5 boats in front of us. We're in the tail end, Charlie.
All wet.
Nice breeze going through the canyons. What'd you say, about 75 degrees now?
It's cooler.
It does, doesn't it?
You know, my McDonald's wrapper works. They keep my apple dry. I mean, my camera dry.
We'll just go till we get around the corner here.
All right.
Water running off the ground up there, dripping down. Okay, just wanted to give you one little taste on the river, because I have to keep the camera wrapped up, obviously, not to get soaking wet.
They're coming up on the other boats.
Can you see him down there?
They're taking pictures.
Your picture's all over the world now, Dave.
Yeah.
You're famous. All you have to do is learn how to sing.
Okay, I'll cut it off here, because one of these guys down here likes to splash it with the oar.
He's the singer.